I really enjoyed my stay here. I'm very thankful that they let me stay, because there was not a place nearby that would have had truck parking, because we're kind of in the middle of nowhere. So I pick up today in Ohio, and I'm bringing it to Cincinnati, Ohio, which is maybe like a 2-hour drive. Oh, me. Why? Why do they do this everywhere you go? It's everywhere you go, dude. Oh, because there's a car show! Great, guys! I'm gonna add like 28 hours onto my drive time. Maybe I can make it. We can make it. We always do. We got no choice. Oh yeah, we're fine. Backing into door 7. At the pickup. You know, they could have given me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They put me in between these two guys. Like, come on. And what's nice about this place, look at all that room I can just pull right up on. The problem is if you do the bottom one first, it might push the wall out, and this top one just comes down. That one on here. Oh my god. Dang. I'm heading to Cincinnati tonight. I have the load due at 5 a.m. tomorrow, and then I'm deadheading down to North Carolina. A deadhead means basically just driving the trailer with no freight. I don't like that because I'm already not a fan of this trailer as of my last couple videos. This trailer almost killed me, but you know, I didn't try hard enough. And then from there, I'll know Monday morning where I'm going next. Why Cincinnati, dude? I hate Cincinnati. This is the 4th storm I've come across in the past hour. This one's got the nasty crosswinds though, and if I was empty right now, I probably would have been blown over by now. Ah! And we're backed up. So this is usually how it goes. You got 20 minutes left to get to your destination. And now, you got this. It happens every time. Stop! Don't hit me! Oh, hell yeah, I'm getting... Oh my god. Oh. Alright, yep. Here it is. I don't give a shit. Well guys, had to do a little off-camera mining. I was parked over on the other side of this parking lot earlier, and this bitch comes out. And granted, I'm the only one that's, because like these guys, see those guys over there, they're parked in like the fire lane. It says no parking, towaways down. They're still parked over there. There's people parked by the fuel aisle blocking everybody in. She comes knocking on my window as I'm coming back with my laundry. She's like, "You need to move." I was like, okay. First of all, just because you're a power tripping bitch. I literally drove around this parking lot for 45 minutes like a shark, waiting for someone to leave. And they did. I found a spot. And now I have 3 hours to sleep because they woke me up. So I'll see you guys in 3 hours. Actually, you're going to see me in 3 seconds. Wow, it's been 3 hours. I'm dangerously tired. Let's go. Got her in there. Nice and straight on the line. Bam. Crank this. Coming in hot, bows. Coming in hot, bows. Oh, they got that big ass paw right there, of course. Oh, God. Oh. So I thought my day was over, but I realized that I still have like 3 hours almost on my clock after I took another 30-minute break. So I'm gonna just try to get as far as I can. You know what I mean? Check and see the height. So I should be just fine to, I don't know though, let's see. Oh, look at that. That was hi. Bye. Both my lights working, clearance lights, all good. So we're good to go. So total trip, time it takes to get up there, about 10 hours, 20 minutes. So it's gonna be about an 11-hour trip. I'm gonna make some good time with that. I'm gonna try to find a rest stop that's somewhat nearby. No, I'm sleeping on the side of the road tonight. Come on! Oh, you big bitch, come on. This truck does not want to go, dude. Holy, I don't know what I just hit, but it sounded loud. But nobody's behind me. swear, I can park in the craziest spots. But God forbid, it's a damn open spot.